Hello everyone, my name is Nilsy and this is my 1976 Subaru Wagon. In 2004 I bought this beast of a car and drove it for about 2 years before deciding it would probably be best to have something a little more reliable for my daily commute. It is now 2021 and after so many years I'm going to be spending some time bringing this beautiful 1.6 litre 4x4 Subaru Wagon back to life. If you haven't done so already, like and follow my Facebook page, Subaru 4x4 Wagon 1976 Project. This is where you'll be able to be kept up to date with my progress, as there is a lot of work still to be done. The first thing I did is hook up a jump starter on the old battery to see if I can get the engine to turn over after so many years. Now that I got the car started, I've pumped up all 4 tyres, hooked up a new battery so we can drive that up on ramps for a service.
Pumped up 4 tyres and only one of them held pressure. Luckily, I got one at least.
So with the new battery in, it's time to get it started again, ready for its service.
Whoa.
Ruined my day.
You happy?
Yeah, it's better than first.
This is still working, guys.
Yeah. Not gonna fit.
Huh?
Not gonna fit, but...
Try and try.
Huh?
Try and try. Okay, so
It needs a good clean out.
undo me.
There's like lots of corpses of
I know.
spiders.
Like,
Yeah.
how old is this car?
It's a 1976. It's done about 300,000 days. A bit over 300,000.
So the Subi is running, which is great. The next issue I had was only having 3 out of the 8 tyres I had that would hold pressure. So I jumped on Facebook Market and looking for some new wheels. This was a bit of a challenge in itself, as the Subaru stud pattern is pretty rare, being 4x140. The only wheels I could find were some old Brumby wheels, which I ended up purchasing off Facebook Market for $160. We now have 14-inch rims opposed to the original 13s, and the tyres are a higher profile, which is fine for now. I will look at getting lower profile tyres further down the track. I also decided to remove the front bull bar, as it was hiding the old school Subaru emblem. Now that I've got 4 tyres pumped up, I've drove the car up on ramps ready for its service.
Yeah. What? Not much. This oil is like ice, melted ice cream. The oil. Yeah, it's coming out now. There's a big bit. There's lots of like chunky bits coming out.
This is just the first stage of flushing out the old oil. I'm going to take off the old filter and put on a new one. In a couple of weeks we'll have to do the same thing, dropping out the new oil and replacing it with even more newer oils, just so we can get rid of a lot of the old gunk. Next we're going to give the car a bit of a wash. It has been probably about 10 years since I cleaned the car last, so we're going to take it out the front and give it a high pressure wash and scrub. Now that we've given our Subi a bath, we will end the video here. This is the first video of the Subaru 4x4 Wagon 1976 project. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to be tackling the dent on the front bumper. I look forward to seeing you then.